Good afternoon, Scott. It is Monday, I think, May 19th, and this is a quick video to tell everybody that no, we are not dead. What happened is I am actually still in Minnesota, and I didn't have internet at my uncle's house. I couldn't get to a place with internet to make and upload a video, so I'm doing a quick one right now. And Scott got sick over the weekend, so he hasn't been able to make a video either. And that's really all that's happening. Yeah, really not much else going on other than the whole being in Minnesota business. I'll be driving back next week I think we're leaving on Saturday. Saturday or Sunday. Either one of those. And so I will be back in town then. So yeah, that's really all I have to say. I don't have any questions or anything. So Scott, I will see you tomorrow.